Yağmur Tanrisevsin Biography. Birth name Yağmur Tanrisevsin. Nickname Yağmur. Date of birth 24 August 1990. Present age 35 years old as of 2026. Birthplace Mersin, Turkey. Nationality Turkish. Zodiac sign Virgo. Religion Muslim. Ethnicity white. Height 5 feet 5 inches. Weight 55 kilograms. Body type slim. Eye color brown natural. Hair color also brown. Education Marmara University. Qualification graduate. Marital status unmarried. As of 2026, no dating. Profession actress and designer. Years active 2011 to present. Let's start the hobbies. She like taking selfies, like makeup, like photography, like swimming, like cycling, like teddy bears, like cooking, like horse riding, like traveling around the world, and she is animals lover. Let's start the social media facts. She is quite famous on Twitter, 200k followers on Twitter. She is also famous on Facebook, 582k followers on Facebook. She is very famous on Instagram, 3.3 million followers on Instagram. Net worth $2 million approx. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.